Hola amigos, ¿cómo estáis? My name is Gautam Sharn and I'm back again with Everything Spanish. So every language has a short list, a few dozen or so of standard answers or responses to indicate commonly expressed sentiments. Example, yes, no, maybe, I don't know, good luck, etc. Knowing these and being able to whip the correct one out immediately and automatically in response to someone goes a long way towards sounding like a native and making people feel comfortable speaking to you. Spanish is no different. So in today's video, I'm going to share some tips that will help you to learn to respond in Spanish like a native using common Spanish phrases, expressions, and comebacks. So this is part 1 of the video. Without a further ado, let's jump into it. So number 1, es un decir. It means something like it's just a saying or it's a way of speaking. No des papaya es un decir colombiano que quiere decir que no permitas a alguien aprovecharse de ti. No des papaya is a Colombian saying that means don't let someone take advantage of you. Number 2, ¿y qué? So what? Number 3, ¿y? And. It is used the same way that we would use and in English. Number 4, da igual or da lo mismo. Da igual literally means it's equal, and da lo mismo literally means it's the same thing. But they are both used whenever one wants to say that something doesn't matter or that it doesn't make a difference. For example, ¿quieres el carro rojo o el blanco? Do you want the red car or the white car? Da igual, doesn't matter. Number 5, claro or claro que sí. Very common Spanish expression commonly used to mean sure, of course, or naturally. ¿Vienes? Are you coming? Claro, of course. Number 6, para nada, no way. ¿Vas a comer tu vaca grande morada? Are you going to eat your giant purple cow? Para nada, no way. Number 7, en absoluto. It actually means absolutely not. Así no vas a comprar ese carro. So you're not going to buy that car. En absoluto. Es demasiado caro. Absolutely not. It's too expensive. So that was it for today's class, guys. I'll soon come with a part 2 of this video. If you're liking the content, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Till then, adios.